smoking isn't an easy thing to do. Nicotine is a physically addictive substance, but often the habits that we associate with smoking makes it psychologically difficult to quit too. We often associate smoking with other habits in our day-to-day routine, like having a morning coffee, going out for a chat with your friends, or heading down the pub for a drink. By focusing on and establishing the habits which are triggers to us, we can also help to cut the cravings. A few scientifically proven methods should help you to cut those cravings down. Firstly, you want to focus on a quitting method such as nicotine replacement therapy. Using this alongside willpower is much stronger than just willpower alone. Setting a date can be an ideal way to have a goal to focus towards. Ask friends and family for support. They can provide moral support and remind you why you're in this to begin with. Identify your specific triggers, such as stress or drinking, and try to avoid these where possible. By avoiding situations you would normally associate with smoking, you can also help to avoid the smoking itself. Remove facilitators to smoking from your environment, such as ashtrays, lighters, and cigarettes. If you don't have them in your house, you simply won't be able to smoke unless you go out purposefully to buy those things. A good way to overcome the urges is to have a few 5-minute activities you can do to distract yourself, such as going for a brisk walk, a run. You could start reading or baking. The key thing that you want to avoid is just sitting and waiting for the craving to pass. Write reminders in your phone, in your office, and at home as to why you want to quit. Focus on the financial benefits and the health benefits. You could even set up a savings fund and put the money that you would have spent on smoking to save up for something you've wanted for a while. Something that might be particularly useful is focusing on the health benefits, how much longer you'll be able to live a healthier life. Tracking your habits will be really useful too. You could do this either on your computer, in a notebook, or download an app which helps you to log cravings and how you're feeling each day, along with tracking your progress so you know how far you've come. The key thing to remember is that everybody slips up every now and again. Practice some self-compassion with yourself if you do slip up, and just remember all the progress that you have made so far. One cigarette isn't going to reverse all that progress. You just want to focus on the end goal of quitting.